have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Customer typed the wrong passcode several times and now the phone is disabled. To fix this problem, we are going to put the phone in DFU mode, restore the phone, and then use the correct passcode, have the correct password, and I also have the iCloud account if we need that. We might not need that. Now let's put the phone in DFU mode. First you have to turn off the phone. Now that the phone is off, you have to press volume up, down, and then the power button really fast. Up, down, power button. Now that the phone is in this mode, we can restore the firmware using any computer. So I'm just going to click on restore. Restore and update. Next. Agree. Now restoring. Phone is now fully restored. Let's see what else we need. Phone is no longer disabled. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.